Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to calculate the absent and present. Here we can see that Ali is absent in 2 days. Here we can see that 4th September and 7th September. So how to calculate the absent and present? So we can count like this. The present is 1 2 3 4 5, so you can write 5 here, and the absent here 1 2, so you can write like 2. So it's difficult to calculate the absent and present with respect to this sheet. So I will show you a simple formula, right, and we can calculate easily in absent and present. So the formula is, we can write equal and write count, count, if bracket, and select this range, the first one, and then comma and double comma, and write p and close it bracket and enter. Here we can see that they are automatically calculated the only present. So I have dragged this formula to all, so double click on this and they will automatically apply this formula to all students. So the other one is absent, so again we can write a formula equal and write count, count, f bracket, and select this range again, and comma double quote, and write a and close the bracket and enter. Here we can see that the absent are 2. The first one we can calculate the absent, so here we can see 1 and 2, so they are automatically right. So double click here. Here we can see that they are automatically applied formula on this column. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.